house with me, and she wanted to do a mukbang, and we just don't have noodles here, you know.
That's kimchi noodles.
Hmm.
This is black noodle. I thought it was
The
a
black
black
bean.
bean, but I think black bean noodle, but it's not the actual kind because it would be kind of dark if it was.
Yeah, it should be darker than that.
Then we have seaweed sheets.
Okay, and we have some dumplings. You want to put that over there?
Yes, when there's room for stuff.
And we have some crunchy spring rolls.
And
Imani!
we have the sauces, of course.
Where that girl at?
Right. And we also have a tasty Coke.
Would you please stay out the restroom? If you're not using the restroom, do not go in there.
Move it. Yes, I know you can't see it going in there, but it look good though.
Mama,
What?
this is the photo. Oh.
I think she should do an ASMR because she feel like that's what she's about right now.
Mama,
I don't
Mama,
care. All right, let's try these noodles. Bless this food.
it is the Lola. Ma.
You want to try these noodles? Hold on.
Papa,
A little spicy.
the bossy.
I'm wondering if you got the right noodle.
No, it's too spicy. For to give to her.
This tastes like I think I end up getting the kimchi noodles. Dad, you got this is the black bean right here. I know for a fact. I think. I thought I knew what I was doing, Myra. Let me see.
You got spaghetti noodles over there, baby. Ooh, this one's spicy too. Oh shit. That's sorry.
I can't tell which is which, y'all.
You got spaghetti, baby. You want your spaghetti?
I think this is the black bean though.
Because this one's too spicy. It's too spicy. I would give you a spring roll. Stop doing it, please.
So what if they mukbang? I still want y'all to see me take everybody.
What the heck is she doing? You got a bowl right there, baby. Right there. This is
One
good.
time. The camera can't get all the food. Mmm. Why are you gonna tell me to take it easy on the dumpling sauce?
The bowl. The bowl. With the green.
Oh my gosh, this noodle's spicy. You want this?
It's not spicier than that chicken flavor stuff in there.
No.
It's too spicy to be giving her though. She keeps trying to get it.
Oh, because she can't have none. She's gonna have to learn the hard way.
Oh, no. No, bossy.
She's got spaghetti. The air from today, right?
I mean, yeah, I wouldn't do it today.
Green.
I can make them today.
It is the green down.
Eat it.
Don't dip that in the other sauce. That's
Eat
too
it.
salty.
Eat it.
Okay, she don't
Eat
eat
it.
it. She's going to back
It's
up.
about your mama.
You're gonna get beat up. Money.
She's a mukbang.
Oh, did you go grab her noodles from right there then? Maybe she'll stop trying to grab stuff.
Hey, girl, Imani, go get your food over there. Go get it. You ain't finna play over this just because you see us eating it. I don't say no. ones did you like better? I couldn't tell.
I don't know. They taste about the same. They're both spicy.
Damn.
Eat
That's
that
either get too much or
puppy.
not enough with the dumpling sauce.
No,
Go get your spaghetti, baby.
no, no, no.
I've never tried these before, so
I need to go get her tablet.
No,
but on
no,
mukbangs
lovely.
or whatever you call them,
Lovely.
Get up and I will get your tablet for you.
Lovely.
I do see them put the noodles in it like this. And I'm not gonna shove it in my mouth like they do. It's like they just want to eat their whole hand off the way they do it. I am definitely going to say that. Excuse me.
Yeah,
For some reason, on the other shows I watch, they're somehow able to chew it up. Or when I eat sushi, I just don't realize that I'm not really chewing it up because there's other ingredients in there, but that don't chew up. I mean, it tastes like it's supposed to taste, but it doesn't chew up. That's supposed to happen.
Well, I think they bake them to make them crunchy. When they just eat them like that.
Well, hell, I already seen bake.
I think it's just dry. Ugh. Okay, I got the girls somewhat together for happy for a moment, okay? Excuse me. I don't know. I guess I'll try it.
Excuse me. You mean the seaweed sheets?
Yeah.
I think they swallowed some of their stuff whole for real. Because there's no way that you can chew that up. Like, you have to swallow it. That's it. It might be good for your insides, though.
Yeah, it's just not crunchy. You gotta go to the restroom, go to the restroom. And then play with your tablet. Alright. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna take a bite.
Unless you're right about the bacon part.
I like my sushi. I mean, I
There's
like.
no way they really bake it because I see them folded up just like the way I'm folding it right now. If it's baked, they wouldn't be able to fold it without it crunchy.
Okay, let me tell you something. I only like this for sushi. To eat, I've never liked it. It kind of reminds me of eating one of them damn vitamins Dad used to give us with the oil in it. Remember?
She's right. She's right. Fish oil.
Well, this one is called fish oil pill. I didn't like them then. I don't like them now. Sorry.
Yeah, can't get jiggy with everything you see. Now, stuff I would like to get jiggy with is some of them, those red noodle soup dishes with all the, put everything all in one, the noodles, octopus, but I don't want none of that because I've not really had too many letdowns, so I already know octopus.
Excuse me.
But they be having shrimp, noodles, all kind of vegetables chopped up with the red, all the different powder sauces and stuff. They mix them up. Now they might be, they look good. It could be hot. I don't know, but I know I don't want it to be hot because what's spicy to you, it's not spicy to them.
I do know what I want
What's
to try.
hot to you is just spicy to them.
I want to try the rice noodles. You know, the ones that are like this big and like this round. And they put the sauce on it and then they put all the cheese on there. And they be like cheesy rice cakes. And they like, they don't look like rice cakes, but they are. Little, they're about this tall, about that round. She dip it in one, I dip it in about half.
You dip it in both?
I dip my noodles. My dumpling in both.
Oh, you want very
It offset,
specific.
yeah, it offsets the softness from that.
What do you think about the egg rolls?
That's pretty good.
I can taste the refrigerator taste in it.
Okay.
A little bit. I will leave you this since I kind of jacked your kitchen up a little bit.
Yes. We're gonna see what that look like in a minute. Trying to figure out what the hell I'm cooked tonight though, because I still don't know.
Me neither.
I know what I'm cooked. You're gonna be like, this all you ever cook. Yes, ma'am.
Well,
I'm gonna cook it because I'm gonna have both, okay? What I'm gonna cook is cook tacos and then I'm gonna cook chicken tinga. Now, I'm mostly cooking the chicken tinga so he can take it to work for lunch. And I just want tacos too. So.
you can't really go wrong with tacos.
But it's kind of hard for me to take tacos
It's
to work.
meat and cheese.
And I'm hoping to have some left so I can mukbang it tomorrow. For my lunch.
You know what? I still can't figure out how some people do their mukbang, they eat noodles, particularly Asian videos. They put the noodles in their mouth and they just go, and just, without even they lips don't even stumble. They just, the cheeks don't even, like how mine was just, shit, it must have going out like a vacuum. Like,
Let me tell you something
how
about
the
that.
hell? I've been trying to do that.
They've been doing that their whole life. They've been eating noodles they eat noodles a lot. So it's like second nature.
Yes, their lips start burning after a while too. Ooh, I know my lips will be burning trying to eat that hot stuff.
I don't know. I don't know if they necessarily eat spicy stuff all the time.
No,
Maybe some people.
Sorry, y'all. This should have been a burp because I'm hitting them.
No, it's
What? Burped?
yeah, it was little. That's why I said that. I don't know. I never tried to select the noodles like her. I feel one coming down.
You what?
You know how you just feel it, but it's not ready to come up yet. Like that.
What you looking at? Edible scissors, hand, hair, baby. Look at it. Look how hard looking at that. Like, it don't look like.
You talk about my baby like that.
She the one who didn't comb the baby hair.
We weren't going nowhere.
You said, her curls look like they say, I don't care.
I did. I put it to the bathroom mirror and I was like, wow, baby. I said, you're having a bad hair day.
Oh yeah, this is a spray with some water.
I gotta get another water bottle. I think mine's is broken.
Sorry to tell you guys, this video is probably about to end due to a cranky baby. I couldn't eat all my food, but we ate a good bit.
You don't hand me my niece.
I'm out, YouTubers.
You don't hand me my daughter. Oh no. I was trying to say, would you get your niece? Hand me my niece. Here's Winter. See, she don't look that bad. She just over exaggerated on my baby.
Her curls are doing they.
Take my plate, please.
I don't have a stomach ache. Looking as for filling as my mind wanted it to be.
Okay, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload one of these mukbangs.
And hit the like button.
Yeah, hit the like button. And don't forget to check out my other channel, Crazy Mom of Girls.
Crazy mom of crazy girls.
Well, that's not the name of it, but maybe it should have been.
Oh no, crazy mom of girls, like she said, because I just added that crazy part. Where you going?
Well, she just added another crazy to it.
Look what she doing, man.
She always do that.
Stop.
Don't matter who got her. When I got her, she tried to get down. She wants the floor. But yeah, I'm going to cut this video now because I don't want it to be too long for me to upload.
Ow, she grabbed no match.